This video is about buying this Pendulum Akkermansia. I learned about it on The Drive, Peter Attia's show, and I thought it was interesting, and so I went out shopping for it. But I listened to this and learned how difficult it was to actually make this stuff because it can't be made with in a regular lab. You got to do it without oxygen. And if you get a membership, it's $59 for 30 days, and it's like $89 for 30 days. And I looked on Walmart, and I found it for $27. And I thought, that seems pretty good, like almost too good to be true, maybe. And I looked and I saw that there were, at the time, there's 3 sellers. There was 0 sellers. And so I thought, wait a minute, I wonder if these guys have legit business that they're doing. And I just poked around on the Pendulum site, and I noticed that it says that they're not supposed to resell this on any of these other sites. So I thought, let me look into these guys that are selling it on Walmart. And this guy has 1 page of products. This is another guy that's got, looks like quite a few products, 2 pages of products, kind of an odd smattering of things. This one has 34 products that he's selling. Just trying to get a feel for it. This one's weird. He's selling a caliper there for $145, and those things are worth about $14. Anyway, I bought both, and they look different. The one on the left is the legit product for sure. I bought it directly from Pendulum. The one on the right is the one I got from Walmart, and they definitely look different. So I thought, well, let me pour some out on a paper plate, and this is the legitimate product, and this second one is the other one. So I believe that what you're getting from Walmart is probably wrong, probably not legit, and I returned mine.